Ever wondered how Korean stars get that flawless, glowing skin? It's not filters. It's glass skin magic. Welcome to Glow Rituals. Glow naturally, one step at a time. Glass skin means a smooth, hydrated, and luminous complexion. Achieving it isn't about layering 10 products. It's about the right products and steps. Here's the glow-up routine. 1. Hydrating cleanser. 2. Essence for plumping. 3. Hydrating serum, like hyaluronic acid. 4. Moisturizer. 5. Glowy sunscreen. Glow-approved picks. Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Toner. Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum. Thank you, Farmer Sun Essence. Don't over-exfoliate. It causes dullness. And avoid matte makeup right after your skincare. It kills the glow. Want skin that reflects light like glass? Start here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more glow rituals. See you on the next video.